All right, bring it back slowly. Watch your left side. Copy that, backing up now. Clear the casting bay, we're bringing it in hot.
Bay is clear. All panels in the green.
The tolerances on the latest cut are within spec.
Good. Monitor the crane placement on conveyor 3.
The pressure on the third bend is fluctuating slightly.
It's still within tolerance, but we should keep an eye on it. Check the surface finish on screen 3.
Confirmed, all green across the board.
Check the load balance on AGV7. The vibration sensor is spiking.
Rerouting it now, the path ahead is clear.
That beam is showing significant strain at the inflection point.
We are still within tolerance, but keep a close eye on the temperature metrics.
Alignment looks good on screen 3.
Confirming measurements now. Looks spot on.
Bring it down 20 centimeters.
Watch the load balance.
Clear on the south side.
Alignment on hydraulic plate looks good within tolerance.
Confirmed. Sensor 7 is green. We are clear to proceed with the brackets.
Alignment check complete. We are within tolerance.
Sensors red-green. Go ahead and secure the clamps.
Check the alignment on sector 4.
Copy that. Alignment is green. Torque sequence complete.
Check the alignment on sector 4. The torque is reading high.
Confirmed. Adjusting the robotic arm now.
Alignment is within tolerance.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with torque sequence on the main rib. Torque readings are stable. Connection is secure.
Acknowledged. We have hydraulic function.
Torque reading holding steady at optimal levels.
Structural integrity confirmed. We are good to proceed.
Alignment indicator is green.
Final torque readings confirmed. System integrated.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady at 2,500.
Alignment is spot on. Good to proceed.
Flow rates are accurate across all linkages.
Confirmed. System check complete. Pressure holding steady during the tilt test.
All systems reporting nominal values. Readings confirmed.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Tilting mechanism engaged. Looks good.
Readings are within tolerance. The reading on the blade mounting is 99.8% accurate.
Verified. All structural integrity checks passed the automated review.
Pressure differential is nominal across all cylinders.
Flow rate steady. The tilt mechanism is fully calibrated.
All hydraulic systems are fully operational.
Torque verification is complete. Ready for sign-off.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady at 5,000 psi.
Reading confirmed. Final sign-off initiated.
Engine pressure stabilizing. Hydraulics check green.
Confirmed. Tracks engaging now.
All systems nominal. We are clear for movement.
Pressure levels stabilizing at 5,000 psi.
Acknowledged. Sequence complete.
Check the alignment on roller 3.
Looks stable within tolerance.
Initiating reverse sequence now. Alignment on the right side looks good.
Confirmed. Motor response steady at 20 RPM.
Beginning the reverse sequence now.
The lateral tilt is correcting within tolerance.
Confirmed. Readouts are green across the board.
Micro adjustments are complete. We have final alignment.
Pressure is steady, confirming all readouts are within tolerance.
Check the main screen, we have confirmation.
All green, moving to the next segment.
All readings are nominal on the main console.
Same here. The system verification is complete.
The automated sequence is complete. All readings are nominal.
Log the results and finalize the report.
All green on the tilt test.
The automated sequence is stable.
Initiating tilt sequence, sensor readings clear.
Confirmed. The final calibration looks good.
Pressure holding steady at maximum lift.
Tilt actuator response is within tolerance. Finalizing the sequence.
Check the tension on the right side. Looks good. System reports green across the board.
We did it! What a machine! Looks absolutely perfect.
Great job, everyone.
Check the alignment on this track. Standardize.
Looks good from here, uniform across the board.
All right, let's move to the next row.